Products for safe boating, Weems and Plath offers a selection of meticulously handcrafted binoculars designed for the marine environment. Other than our compact 7x28 Apache binocular, our marine binoculars have an optimal magnification of 7x50. The first number, 7, represents the magnification power, with objects appearing 7 times closer than they really are. This magnification is generally regarded as the best to use aboard a moving vessel. The second number, 50, is the objective lens diameter in millimeters. 50 millimeter lenses make our binoculars perform better in low light situations. While other binocular magnifications, such as 10x42, allow you to see closer, they limit your field of view, are harder to hold steady, and are less bright. A video dramatization approaching this marina compares Weems and Plath 7x50 marine binoculars to 10x42 binoculars. This is what you normally see with the unaided eye. Here is the same scene at a magnification of 7. You can read the sign and still see the entire entrance. Now at 10 power you can only see part of the entrance. The stronger magnification also means it's much harder to hold the image steady on a moving boat. If you were approaching the marina at dusk, this is what you would normally see. With our 7x50 binoculars, the image is steady and still bright enough to read. Using a 10x42 binocular, it is more difficult to hold steady and read in the fading light. Weems and Plath all-weather marine binoculars also feature fully multi-coated lenses for brighter imaging. The best available high-density barium crown glass. Argon. High resolution, and rubber armoring. These seaworthy companions are found on military and commercial ships and pleasure boats alike. Built to exceed military specifications for superior optical performance and durability.